First part we are going to make, this is the name of the part is frame. So first of all, you see this part is basically symmetry. These are the all section views to show you some different dimension. This is a section view. Actually, this is complete like this one, but this is a section view to show you that it is like ellipse, elliptical section. So this is the ellipse, like okay. Here in the middle it is like a eye. Okay, just to show. Otherwise, it's complete, but just to show you that this is the cross section of this middle portion. And there's also some there's one dimension to show you this dimension. There's a 3, okay, and the fillet is also 3. We have used this one. So anyhow, we can start from anywhere, but at least this is very simple. You should know that this portion and this portion are almost symmetric and they are similar. So it is better you just you can make one and then you will do the mirror of that one. So I will start making this portion. Okay. So let's say we can start from the top or the bottom. In the bottom there more things are there. I will start from the simple, from the bottom I will start. So we can start from anywhere. For example, this is a simple cylinder. Okay, a new command may be the this ellipse command, how to make this ellipse. Okay, and the remaining you need today many planes you will need depending upon what. So let's say I'm starting from here, from this one. So I'm starting from here. This is a simple cylinder. Outside diameter is some dimension because it is symmetric. That's why some dimensions are given here, some may be here, some may be here, because the parts is symmetric. Okay, so the diameter of this one is given here. How much is that? So now you should be with me. What was the problem in the normally in the major in the other exams, that you are just seeing me here, or you are just seeing the video, and you are seeing, okay, draw this circle 36 and make this one different dimension, but you are not understanding from where these dimensions are coming. So every dimension should be clear. Why I'm taking this one 16, why I'm taking this 3. So every dimension should be clear. So when I'm showing you, ask the question. If some dimension is not clear, ask why we are taking this dimension like this one 16. So now you see this, because this symmetric part, so this diameter, this one and this one are same, and the outside diameter is how much? 32. And how much is the extrude is 19. Okay, so 32. So this, because the vertical, this side is I want to make this circle, so this is basically the right plane. So I can start from the right plane. So start the new part. Okay, the units are in millimeters, so change the units. Right plane, make it normal, simple sketch, make a circle. Okay, diameter is given to you 32. Okay, and extrude same as you want there. So extrude other side, because this we can extrude other side. How much? This one 19. I'm making this one. Actually, I'm making there. I want to keep the right plane here, and I'm extruding this one 19. Okay, this is 19. This is 19. Okay, so this is 19. So first simple thing we have made. Okay. Now see the second similar cylinder. So see the shape from this flat surface to this flat surface. How much is the distance? 70. And similarly, this top flat surface and flat surface, how much is the distance? Same 70. What's the meaning? It means this surface and this surface are same plane, and this surface is on same plane. So I want to make this one. So it means whatever this surface and this surface, they are same level. Okay. So what I will do here, I will select this surface, make it normal, and I will make the second circle here, somewhere here. So the diameter of the second circle. Okay, who will tell me? Yes, Muhammad Al-Wadi. What's the diameter of the second one, the bigger one? If you have the book, you can open the book. Otherwise, I will put this on the blackboard. You can open from there. But try to be with me. This is especially the first part is slightly difficult. So just not difficult. So it has some. So I'm just putting on board classwork. So I'm putting here this file. Belt tightener exercise 14.3. So it is here. So everybody should download this one. And the last figure, this one. And if I ask you the dimension, you should tell me the dimension. Okay, so Muhammad Al-Wadi, what's the dimension for the bigger circle? Yes, what's the dimension of this bigger circle? Yes, I'm taking the attendance also. Yes, Muhammad Al-Wadi, what is the diameter? Yes, sleeping maybe after. Second, Naif Al-Amri.
Here, doctor.
How much is the diameter of this bigger one?
48.
Okay. Ali Mubarak, how much is the depth for this 48? How much depth we will take? Ali,
Yes, 25.
25. Okay, so we can take the 25. Okay. And the distance between both? Yes. Hassan and Abdul Razak, what is the distance between the center of this big circle and small circle?
Yes.
What is the distance between the center of this one and the center of this both circles?
It isn't clear, doctor.
Why not clear? It is here 140. This is here 140 because it is symmetric. So same thing is here 140. Okay, so what we will put here? So this is 48. So this is 48. And this is the from the center to the center is 140 and 140. Okay, next just give the relation. Both are in the center of this one and the center of this one. They are vertical. See the circle, it is fully defined. Okay, so now we have to extrude. Extrude, we have seen it is 25, but change the direction, same opposite side. It is 25. Okay. So now we have these two circles. So now we want to make this, and this is the like arm, the leg. So what is the information given? It is the information given. See, the first of all, it is like an ellipse, and the ellipse is saying the width is 12. But what is this? The second one. This is, you can say the length or whatever. So second dimension is not given. So how we'll get the second dimension? See, it is here. It is tangent here with this circle, and at the top it is tangent here with this circle. Okay, so it is basically this side. You can say this is tangent with this circle here and this circle here. Okay, so in this case it is not in the middle. This is not in the middle, so it is slightly less than that one. So what we have to do, we have to basically we can draw one line which is tangent to both of this circle, because this already how we have drawn this one. So just draw one line tangent to that one. Okay, and then we can make this ellipse, these two ellipses, and then we can extrude. So first I'm drawing a line, simple line. So I can again select any of this one, make it normal, and just draw simple just line. In the beginning it will maybe touch anywhere, but just you touch at least somewhere here. In the beginning you can touch here, but basically it's not in the middle. So what you have to do, go here and add the relation, my relation, I think off. Sketch relation should be on. Okay. So it is constant, but what I want it should be tangent here. This edge and this line, this should be tangent. Okay. Similarly, I want this line and this line should be tangent. Sorry. Okay, this line and this line should be tangent. Okay. See, it's fully defined. So see the difference, it is not exactly at the origin, it is slightly below that one, and that is maybe the second one. If you see carefully, it is maybe the slightly less than the center of this one. Okay, so now we want to make two ellipses, because now this is this point we got, this point we got, and this point we got. Okay, so this point we got. So now you want to make two ellipses here, one ellipse here and one ellipse here, and then we want to join with the which command we should use, because they are the width is same but the length is different. Here is the length is the same according to this diameter, which is 32, and here the length is this diameter 48. So I will make two ellipses, and then which command I should use to join them? Yes, Hassan Abdul Razak.
Yes.
Which command I should use to join? I have one ellipse here, I have one ellipse here. Which command I will use to join them?
For this line, you mean?
Let's see, first I will make the sketch. So I have to make one ellipse here and I have to make one ellipse here, because this is the cross section is elliptical. Okay, so first of all making some, because it's not exactly in the top plane. So first of all we will insert two planes, one plane here at this point, one plane at this point, and then we can make this ellipse like this one. So we have to insert two planes. Today we have a lot of practice for the inserting plane. Okay, so inserting plane. So where is the plane? This is the plane. You go here. First of all, first plane parallel to the top plane. Okay, but where we want? We want this point where this line is touching tangent to this one, this point. Okay, so this is the one plane.
Not in the center, doctor?
Not in the center. That was the reason why we draw this line. You can see it's slightly less than the center. The origin is at the center. See, small 2 millimeter maybe that distance, but it's slightly different. Similarly, the upper is also different. If you see the center of the origin, this is the center. Again, slightly less than the center. So that's why we have. So now we are inserting the plane exactly on this point. So one plane we have inserted on this point where this line is tangent this one. Secondly, we will again insert a plane. Okay. Okay, parallel to the top plane. Okay. Not this one. First select the plane. So plane. First select the top plane and this point where this line is tangent at this point. Okay. So now we have two planes. Okay. So let's say first take the top plane. This is the top plane. Make it normal. Okay. So we have to want to make one ellipse. So switch on this temporary axis. This will also help you. So this is the ellipse command. So the plane number 2. This is the ellipse command. This is the ellipse command. Ellipse command C, you have to click 3 times. First in the middle where you want. For example, we want the middle at this origin. Click here 1 time. Then click along the length. So we want here, you can click it here. See, this point is coming automatically, the middle point is coming. But we don't want in the middle. Why? See, it is given, it's not given, it is only given that there is a 3 millimeter distance between this edge to the edge of this ellipse, 3 millimeter. So it's not in the center, it will be something 3 millimeter. So we can put it here. Ellipse, what is the ellipse? This is the ellipse. We can put somewhere here in the beginning, but at least it is touching at the top edge. Okay, and then move like this one. So this is the ellipse command. So what you have to give now, the width is given to you 12. The width is given to you 12. So this is the 12 we are getting from here. This is the 12. And this is a 3 millimeter. From this edge to this ellipse is 3 millimeter. So give the distance See, it has become like this one, no problem. If you can give this relationship in the beginning, that this point and this point and this point, they should be vertical. This is must for the ellipse to put for the, okay, now give the distance from here to this point is 3 millimeter. Okay, really fine. Okay, so this is the 12 and the remaining just touching that 2 points and 3 is, so that is the ellipse. This is the ellipse in the top. Just save your sketch. Okay, the job of this plane is finished. So if you want, you can hide that plane. Otherwise, it will confuse you. So now you want to select the second plane, this one, plane number 1. Make it normal and make the same ellipse there. Okay, same ellipse there. So ellipse is here. Somewhere you can put. For both ellipses are same. In the center is now the center is same, but only the problem that the length that we want. Okay, this is less. Anyhow, no problem. We can put it here. So how much is the length for the small one? This is equal to it is here, the diameter of this one. So this is how much. Otherwise, no need for any dimension. You go here and just select this view. Okay. So now make it the relationship that this point and this hidden line, the smaller, they should be coincident. And similarly, this one, this is also I think became coincident, or you can check. Otherwise, you can just make this one coincident. This hidden line. Okay. Remaining is the width is same 12. The width is same. 12. Okay. So now what is the again this dimension? I think you have to give again 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter give again. Okay. So that's all. So just save your sketch and hide the plane also. We don't need the plane now. Okay. Even with the job of this sketch is also finished. This is the sketch. This also you can hide. Okay. So now we have basically 2 sketches, 2 ellipses. So we want to join like this one. So now tell me what is the command we should use. One is here, one is here. Which command is good? Anybody? Which command I should use? No, the feature in the features. See which command is extrude, revolve, sweep. Which one?
Loft.
Lofted.
Lofted, because the cross section is different. If it was same, then it was very simple. Just only make one ellipse and simply extrude. No need. But now the both ellipses are the width is same 12, but the length is different. This is 48. This is 32. So because they're different cross sections, so we will use the loft command. Use the loft command. Click on the first sketch, this point, and the second one, same location, this one. So you will get this is the. So this is the loft command. The remaining are simple. This was the slightly difficult part. Remaining of what you want.
Doctor, how much is lofted?
Just the two.
There is no given.
No need. Already the sketches were there. Delete. See, this is the. When we give this sketch, then we have already given the distance between from here to here 140, and we make the tangent here. So now there is no distance for the. And they will just join, both sketches are already fully defined. So loft will just join the both sketches. Whatever the distance already between them, everything will keep as it is.
Oh, I thought we should put some number.
Just select this one. No need to remember anything. So next we have to make this in the middle. This is the ice section like beam. So this we have to make in the middle. So why in the middle? Basically, we want to make one plane in the middle. That same plane we will use, we'll make only the half, and then we can do the mirror of that one. We can use some plane in the mirror. So this is 70. So half of this one is 35. So we can go here and again insert a new plane. Select this surface at a distance 35. So this plane will be in the middle. So we will make the sketch, and again same plane we will use for doing the mirror component. Okay, so this is the plane. You can make it normal, and you can increase this plane size is up to you. You can increase the size whatever you want the plane. Okay, so what you have to make I. So it is symmetric. So again you can make just only the center line. Make only the center line here, and make the half sketch. So this is the half sketch. If you can see, this is something like this one. Difficult thing is the arc. You can see here, this is like an arc. So we cannot make by fillet because it is a complete arc. So what we will do, we have to make arc. So this is the arc. We can make the arc. These 2 points, merge them into the joint. Then just give the relationship in this arc and this one tangent. Select arc, select line. So the arc and the line, just make them tangent. Okay, also same this arc and this line. And last, this arc is also tangent with the edge. This edge. Tangent. You can see here. So this is also tangent here. Similarly, the down is also tangent here. This arc, same thing. Okay. Just make one arc starting point. So merge. Okay, now give the remaining dimensions. It will be fully defined. So dimensions are given to you. Yes, everybody, what are the dimensions? First of all, from the center to the first line 26, total height is 30. Okay. So from the center to the first line 26. This from this line to this line. Remaining the depth is 4. So the radius of this arc is 2 because diameter is 4. So this is 2. And the distance between this line and this line is also 2. Okay, so it is fully defined. You can check from here because this is 4, so half will be And this is 4, this is 4, so this radius will be 2. Okay, so now it is fully defined, so we can do the mirror. Just go to the mirror, select this one, mirror about what, select the center line. Okay. So this is the sketch. Okay. And let's go and extrude. Then on that side, change the up to next. So this is here. So now half of this one is ready. Before mirror, you see these two holes are same size. Both are same size because it is written somewhere. What is the size of this? 16. But this one, top one is different. This is the 16, but this one is 22. So before mirror, we can make the small hole so that it will be mirror. Then these are different. We can make separately. So this is 16. So we can make this one already before doing the mirror. Just go here, extrude, cut, to all. Okay, so we have made half of this one. So half is easy, and after half is more. So we have to just go to this mirror component. This one, the mirror command here. What is the mirror command? Here, this one is here, mirror command. So he will ask you select some plane in the middle. So that's why the last plane that we have made, it is in the middle. This one. So we want to do the mirror around this one. Okay. In the we have different options. The faces to mirror, we can mirror only one face. Faces and features mean only one thing, one extrude or one we can do the feature. We can do the mirror. But there is one option. This is bodies to mirror. So if you select this one and then you click on anywhere, this one is a complete one body. So if you click anywhere, the whole body will be mirror. So use this one, bodies to mirror. So this will be shape. So the remaining is simple. Just you can make the hole. This one hole is simple. This is simple. How much? 22. This is also 16. But there is a keyway 3.2 into 1.7 that you have to make. So that's the simple thing you can do yourself. But let's see if we will show you quickly. Extrude, cut, up to next. Similarly, you can select here, small hole. If you don't know the center, you can switch on this one. This should be on because sometimes if you click here, this will. Whenever the job of any plane is finished,
you can touch the circle edges and it will reveal.
we can make it concentric. That's okay. The 1 minute. So whenever the job of any plane is finished, it's better you hide that one. Otherwise, so anyhow now it's touch. This is coming here. Okay, because if you click here, it will all this will be hidden. So this is the center. Okay. So now go simply here. So select this surface and draw the circle. The radius is given to you. Diameter is given to you 16. Okay, so but the important thing is that you have small, this is called the keyway. So this key that we will put here and this key will go in this hole. So what is the size of this one? 3.2 is the width and 1.7 is the height. Okay, so this is the new thing you can small keyway we can make. So what more we can make this one? Okay, it's better if you can draw one small central line that will might be help you. Okay. You can just draw a rectangle. You can draw that should touch it. Okay. Both sides should touch it. Okay, so what is this one? 3.2. 3.2. And the height is 1.7. 1.7. Okay, so it's fully defined. But what we want, so we have to trim this one, inside one. Okay, so now what's the problem? Only we have to just little bit do the relation, this line and this line and this one, they are symmetric. Okay, like the half is there and half is there, that's all. So this is the cut now, you can make it extrude cut up to next. Okay, that's all. Remaining are some fillets. You can do the most of the fillets. These fillets are R3, which are not given. I think mostly are R3. These are R3. Okay, that's all. Just quickly make this one.